All right. Well, it looks like JASMY is back below 5 cents, and I told you the range was probably 4.5 to 6 cents. Right now, we're going back down to 4.5, and the next stop below 4.5 would be 4 cents. If you lose 4 cents, I personally think it's not going to make a new all-time high in 2022 if you lose the current all-time low, at least on the Coinbase chart. Obviously, the all-time low is much lower than 4 cents, but at least according to Coinbase, it's 4 cents. And I honestly think if you can't hold 4 cents, it's over for JASMY for 2022. So hopefully, we can hold that line. And continue higher into the coming next few months, assuming Bitcoin can get back above $42,000, which is currently at 36.7. So currently, let me go to the daily chart. You did make a new low. Let me see where the last low was. The last low, daily candle close, without using the wicks, was 4.7 cents. And we're current. I think that 28 cents was the high that we're using the fibs from. So the 236 is currently at 10.1 cents. If you want to be safe, you can call it 10.2. If you close the daily candle 10.2 or higher, I think you can confirm the low is in down here. And then personally, I don't see that happening anytime soon. But that's what you would need to close above is 10.2 cents to confirm that the bottom is probably in down here. And then it would be pretty safe to enter a trade around that level. The 620 is all the way up here at 19 cents. I think if you close a daily candle above 19 cents, that confirms a move higher to a new all-time high, but that is a very, 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 very long ways away. So that's something we shouldn't be talking about yet, but that is the long-term target for extreme bullishness on the really big time frames like the daily and weekly charts and the 3-day chart. So with that being said, let's go over to the MACD. Oh, also, this is extremely bullish. I think this did this happen yesterday? I don't remember. Maybe it did. But the Gon fans are bullish on the 6-hour chart. The 12-hour chart doesn't have enough data for the Gon fans yet, which is kind of hard to believe because it's been on Coinbase for a long time. But the 6-hour chart is saying the Gon fans are very bullish right now, so it's extremely bullish. So that means you probably are not going to go below 4 or 5, but I guess that remains to be seen. Let's go to the MACD on the 6-hour chart. The 6-hour chart is kind of losing momentum on the 12-hour chart. Is trying to go back up. The daily chart is trying to reverse the upside, but it definitely could still go way down. The MACD on the daily chart has definitely been way, way lower. And the 3-day chart, which barely has any data, but that is still in a downtrend. So overall, MACD is kind of neutral. I would say that 12-hour daily chart looked good, though, for a move up. The 6-hour chart looks like it's kind of losing momentum, but that definitely has more upside that the 6-hour chart could go up to. And the 3-day chart is still in a downtrend. So overall, MACD is probably telling us 4-5 is definitely possible, but I would say very soon a move up on JASMY is likely, especially with the Gon fans being bullish on the 6-hour chart. That's all I got. Oh, also, if you want to be bullish on the God fans, you cannot really lose. Actually, you can't lose 4.7. If you go below 4.7, the God fans are basically invalidated. So it has to just slowly grind up if that indicator is still going to be valid for a bullish move higher. That's all I got. See you guys in the next one.